Hey guys, so you're not gonna believe this. So check this out. Sorry, first of all, I'm in the back seat. Can you see? Do you see what I'm looking at? Do you see that? Do you know what that is? Oh my god, she's gonna freak out. Check it out. We found it. So what did I tell you guys? In the darkness is when you'll see the stars. And it was a lesson to us that materialistic things in life aren't everything. Whether we have it or not, it was always our love for each other that mattered in the end. Today, I'm still very grateful, thanking the universe. But thank God I don't have to buy another one. It's a really nice day today. We're gonna change it up. We're gonna go take a walk in the forest. This is so exciting. I mean, we have forests and stuff in the city, some of our parks, but nothing like this. This is private property, by the way. Pheasant. What was that?
Pheasant.
A pheasant? You could hear this rumbling in the ground. Hopefully we can catch some wildlife here. I've heard of owls here just the other day. Well, one owl. There's usually deer. It's nice being out here. It's a change of scenery.
There's dog shit there. They're gonna step in shit.
Okay, I want to step in shit. Which way do we go? Look, you going this way? Let's go.
Come on, Snacks. But anyway, usually we would go all the way down, like where we were, and then up this path. But I couldn't figure out where the path was. What do you think, Rookie?
That's a path? Let's try. This one. Look.
It's crazy because it will dip down.
Yeah, look, somebody's been walking here. Look at this. That's a sign of a path. Okay. Oh, she's gonna lead us the way. Alright, Snooki. Show the way.
How do you get to
Oh, yeah. Okay, this is looking good.
Ow.
Where are we going?
I don't know about this.
I don't know about that one, Snooki. I don't know if I can go through that one.
I know it looks like it works.
Nah.
No, she's
You're over there to
leading us to a squirrel tree, dude.
Okay, we got tricked by a doggy. Is it here? I mean, it's not that bad.
It's bad.
No, it's not. Look, see? Ah! Yeah, there's a lot of spider webs and stuff. Wow. Cool. Damn, look at the tree behind there. I don't know, but if I was a wilderman, I'd sleep there.
Are they bad with the mosquitoes?
Oh yeah, never mind. I don't want to be on sleeping in with the bugs. That looks like good shelter. Deceiving, eh? Go in there and get screwed up.
You know what?
Come up.
You need to do nature walks with me. I'll tell you about nature.
Tell us. Tell us. Shit, where are we?
Not at your grandma's house.
I like today. Today's weather. So in the forest here, it's cold enough that there's no bugs. If you look around, there's not a lot of wind in here.
It's so nice to go on a little walkie.
Yeah.
You want to go on another one later?
Oh, this is where we came in. This is where we took the picture.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed that walk as much as I did. And, you know, stay tuned. And I'll try to continue doing more videos like this. You know, you guys can sit from the comfort of your own home and come out here and tune in and explore with me on this adventure. It's an experience for the both of us. Alright, so we're gonna harvest some carrots here. Put that pitchfork in there. And it'll kind of reveal itself. That. How much we got over there? There's another one right here. So we have about 1 row of carrots here. Look at that. Filling up most of the wheelbarrow. Amazing. Check out all these carrots. Look at that. You saw the carrots before, and now this is what they look like after. Okay, so all the good ones we washed in these pails, you know, washed them all off, and these are all the good ones. Anything that's deformed, or what my wife likes to call any carrots that look like my toes, apparently, we put in here. So during the digging up process with the pitchfork, some of them are sliced open, or some of them just look like this. Let's find a really cool one. That's pretty cool, but there's some gnarly looking ones in here. Maybe we've already thrown them away. But anyways, those we'll trim and take what we can, and we'll probably eat them first. And then these ones we can store. They're out here just drying right now, getting all the moisture off. Don't want any mold or something. But at least we washed off all the soil, and that's going to be a good supply of carrots for the winter. So I want to give you guys a review about gardening. I've never gardened before. I don't know nothing about nothing. And that's the honest truth. Alright guys? I enjoy gardening. I enjoy the whole process. From getting the soil ready, tilling the soil, planting, digging holes. It's nice. I feel connected to Mother Nature. I feel like it's something that a lot of us city folks are missing out on. Not all of us, maybe just my generation. We don't really have a yard to begin with, so it's nice to put your hands in the dirt and you know, put in some work and get to see the fruits of your labor. I mean, I haven't seen any fruits of my labor yet, but I can see what other people have put in, the effort that they've put into their garden. And as you saw earlier, the carrots, look how many carrots you get from 1 row. What else can I say? I enjoy washing them. To see the different types of carrots, the deformities and everything, and imperfections. I can't wait to taste them. You know where your food came from. You know it's healthy, it's clean, it doesn't ever soaked in pesticides or something like that. And you never know when in the city what you're really buying off the shelf. It just says carrots for however much from whatever country, and that's all the information you really get. But yeah, a lot of, I've also learned from gardening that a lot of animals pass by, like deer. They come by and they eat your fruits and vegetables, and it sucks, but you know, it's cool to just have deer come around and eat your stuff, eat your produce. There's something nice about that. I might not like it in a few years when I start growing my own stuff. There's just so much going on. We've been here for probably a week now. I believe it's been 7 days. What can I say? I'm having a great time. Time's flying by. I think my wife's calling me. I'll come back to you guys. But yeah, we've been in 14-day isolation, and there's not much you can do. That's the law, and we have to abide by the law. But in a week, you know, these chains are going to be lifted, and I will be released. What can I say about my first week? I spent the last few days kind of just editing videos for YouTube. I got a lot of good feedback. I posted my first video yesterday, and I'm glad a lot of people enjoyed it. I think I got 140 views in the first maybe 20 hours. That's pretty cool. I honestly thought I'd get maybe just 20 views. But I'm very happy, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the content that's coming. There's going to be a lot coming, a lot of different things coming up. I can guarantee you that. There's a lot of private things going on in my life that I refuse to share with you guys because it's, you know, open to YouTube, right? But there's definitely new content coming for sure. Different things. I'm not going to be doing these kind of things every day. So when we get our own property, hint, hint, we'll be doing different things. I'm looking forward to getting some dogs, some pets. I'm going to start work in about a week from today, but I plan to take advantage of this weather and come outside on the lawn here and cut my hair. I'll have an extension cord running out here. Kind of just show you guys how we can be self-sufficient. Invest in a pair of hair clippers and it'll work wonders for you and it'll save you so much money. So something very unfortunate happened during our drive here. I got a call from my bank earlier today and they had told me that my visa has been compromised. This has never happened to me before. I'm living in the city, ironically. I'm not surprised that it's something that happened during the road trip as we crossed, you know, 4 provinces. So the bank told me somebody had taken my visa and ordered Uber Eats, you know, 3 times in one day. And the following day, they had purchased a jacket for $175 in Amsterdam. So I asked the TD representative, you know, how did this happen? It might have been something that happened with Uber and there might have been some hackers, but it's very common if you pay gas at the pump. That's when maybe sometimes those machines are rigged and your best bet is to actually go inside and pay. The convenience of it helped me forget about the dangers of just paying at the pump. So now you guys know, you know, when you're traveling, pay inside. Who knows what they did to those machines, and last thing you want is somebody using your Uber Eats account, eating like a king, and you're stuck with the bill. It sucks that I'm here trying to settle down and I gotta worry about things like that. So if I could prevent anything from happening to you guys in the future, I'd gladly be here to help you. So it's been a while since I've ridden an ATV. Anybody that knows us, we went to Thailand for our honeymoon and we got to drive around in some ATVs. We got really excited and we even got lost in the jungle on our ATVs. But anyway, we have some here as well and I can't wait to go ride it. I'm actually gonna go get ready right now.